Welcome to my channel. So today we are going to discuss on the topic parts of speech. We know according to traditional grammar we have 8 parts of speech and the first one is noun. What's a noun? Noun is simply we can define noun as a naming word. It's the name of a person, place, an idea or a thing. It can be anything. It can be a name of anything. For example, London, tree, love, car, etc. are all examples for noun. Now the second category is pronoun. What's a pronoun? It is something that is used instead of a noun. For example, she, he, these are all words that are used instead of the naming word. And the third category is verb. Verb is an action word. These are the words that shows action. For example, running, jumping, writing, listening are all verbs. Now the fourth category is adverb. Adverbs are the words that qualifies or modifies a verb. For example, happy, blue. I will tell you an example in a sentence. She sings beautifully. Here in this sentence we can see that sings is the verb. So beautifully is the word that describes or modifies that verb, and that beautifully is the adverb. Now next one is adjective. Adjective is a word that qualifies a noun. For example, the red car. Here in this sentence red is the adjective. This is describing the word, the noun car. And the next one is preposition. Preposition means it's a word that shows relationship between the words or nouns in a sentence. For example, the book is on the table. Here in this sentence, the table and the book, the relation between these two things are shown by the word on. So on is the preposition here. Okay, so the prepositions are mainly in, on, under, at, between are all examples for preposition. Now the second last one is conjunction, which is the joining word. For example, and, because, so, etc. are all joining words. These words connect either words or phrases or clauses. So these are known as conjunctions. And the last one is interjection. Interjection is this word that shows our emotion or our strong feelings. For example, wow, oops. These are words that shows our emotions. Now let's go to each parts of speech once more. Noun is the part of the sentence that shows who or what. Pronoun is something that replaces a noun. Verb is a word that shows an action or state of being. Adjective describes a noun and adverb describes a verb. Preposition shows relationship. Conjunction is a linking word. Interjection expresses emotions. And other than that, according to modern grammar, articles are also included in parts of speech. Now, I'll show you an example. Here in this sentence, we can see all these parts of speech. Wow, she quickly carried the blue box and placed it under the table. Here in this sentence, wow is the interjection, it's an emotion. She is the pronoun. Quickly, it is showing how the action is take place. Quickly, so it can be considered as adverb. Carried is the verb here. So how the action is carried out? It is very quickly. So adverb, verb, and here we can see an article, a, an, and the other articles. Then here again a noun. Box is the noun. So blue is the adjective. And is the joining word in this sentence. So it is the conjunction. Now we have placed again a verb and it a pronoun. Under, definitely it is a preposition. The is again an article. Table is again a noun. So in this sentence we have seen all the examples for the parts of speech we have discussed. Thank you.